To be very honest, people who don't speak English fluently, they don't use that much words. First of all, we have to start with words, vocabularies. How many words we usually use a day? How many English words? And also, we have to look at those people who speak fluently, how many words they do usually use each day. We can see that we rarely use vocabularies, English vocabularies on a daily basis. It might be like in between 100 and 150 words every day. We don't speak much, right? So how are we gonna get the fluency? You see the people who speak English, sometimes like even in Dhaka, many students, they were speaking English with each other. So I just kept like looking at them. Then I realized that the accent and everything, probably they belong English medium schools. So, in English medium school, what happens, students are encouraged to speak English with each other. And it helps them a lot. It helps them get a good fluency. So first of all, we have to focus on the vocabularies. We have to bring more vocabularies in our daily uses. For example, if you learn a word that is called magnificent, which means beautiful, wonderful, lovely, magnificent. So what happens, even if you learn this word, probably if you see something beautiful, you might not use that word because it comes automatically. For example, if we see something lovely or like wonderful, then probably we can see, wow, it's beautiful. But look at there, we know that there is a synonym that we have learned that is called magnificent. We could have said that word, but we don't say this. Why? Because we can't use those words that we memorize. So first of all, we have to reach our vocabulary bank. Every day, you have to make sure that you speak, you utter, you bring those at least like in between 500 to 800 words. Because if you notice those people who belong English medium schools and colleges, or like who speak English fluently, they bring those kind of words like even more than 1,000. So in this case, we have to make sure that we bring those words on a daily basis.